Joe Beermaster. Today we have a 2015 Maserati Ghibli SQ4. This goes for multiple years and actually multiple Maseratis. I'm going to show you where the fuse box locations are on these. The first integrated supply module or fuse box is located right here under the hood on the passenger side. If you look, here's a little fuse emblem. Press this button here, pull it up. There's your fuses. There's a little template. The template does not show you what they're for. You're going to have to refer to the owner's manual. Now, secondary location on some models, this model doesn't have it, is usually an interior fuse box right where this little door is here next to the steering wheel in there, but it is not there on this model. And if you look under here, right underneath, you got to look carefully. You will see the OBD2 port right there, that white area. That's where you're going to hook the computer scan. And the rear power control unit is in the trunk. We're going to go in the trunk, and we're going to, it's a little messy in here, but we're going to open this spare tire well. Back in here is the battery. So you have the battery there, and then here is the other fuse box between the rear body panel and the battery right in there. You take the lid off the same way. I'm not going to get into that now, but that is the other fuse box location. So there are three. Some models, like I said, have just two. And that's it. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. I hope this helps. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. Take care.